Did you know Excel has a hidden filter tool that can handle complex multi-condition queries that the regular autofilters simply cannot do? In the next 60 seconds, most Excel users struggle when they need to filter data using multiple conditions across different columns, like finding sales reps in the East region who sold. Here is our sales data set with columns for rep, region, quarter, and sales amount. To use advanced filter, you first need to build a criteria range somewhere above your data. Copy the exact header row and now go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click the Advanced button inside the Sort and Filter group. This opens the Advanced Filter dialog box. Set the list range to your full data. Look at that. Excel instantly pulled only the rows where the region is East and sales are above 5,000, copying them cleanly to a brand new location. You just learned how to use Excel's advanced filter to run complex multi-condition queries and extract results without ever touching your